Well, welcome to the Money Talk Show TV. I am your host, the Money Coach, as you can see right up there, like a new little sign. And this is my lovely wife,
Trainer.
All right. And today we're going to talk about how we do long-term investing. Okay. So what you want to know about?
That's not what you said we was going to talk about.
Hey, you got to just change it up, just change things up. So, I'm teaching her, what I'm saying? So I'm trying to see what she learned during this week, So, long-term investing. Could you tell the viewers, the newcomers, since you are a new investor, what do you think long-term investing is?
Well, long-term investment to me is where you put money into stocks for the long run to see how they balance out so you can generate wealth and dividends over a period of 10, 20 years, depending on how you invest.
Very good answer. That is it, long-term investing, So some of the companies that we are long-term investing it's like some of the EV companies, electric vehicles, they ain't driving the boat right now, besides the Tesla,
Look at them images there, boy. Tesla. You thought they were just cars. Panels.
To lift up doors, we talked about that. But Tesla is also doing some other things, besides just the electric cars. They also into the solar panels.
So we're talking in detail about each of them, but the goal is to have electric or solar roofs that look better than a normal roof, generate electricity, last longer, have better insulation, and actually have an installed cost that is less than a normal roof plus the cost of electricity. So then why would you buy anything else?
They actually putting solar panels, roofing panels, So each panel will actually give you solar power, towards your house. And they putting them in for free. No,
They're not free.
Yeah,
Everything has a cost.
Oh, yeah, it got a cost. You got to pay for the service, baby. You got to pay for that service. But they trying to do the AD&T thing, the ADT thing. Everybody used to have ADT in their house. All the old houses, the old alarm systems and stuff like that. We got one in here, beeping. So if they put out all those solar panels on roofs on multiple houses in the near future, in 10, 15 years from now.
For really putting this together in such a short amount of time. Really appreciate their help in getting this done. But to really understand the vision, let's welcome Elon Musk.
Elon.
Everybody? Hey. Yeah, no fuzzy jacket this time. I will start off by just talking about the reason why we're doing this, which is, as you may have read, we're reaching record CO2 levels. Global warming is becoming a serious crisis, and we need to do something about that. But just like with electric cars, where electric cars originally they didn't look good, they had low range, they didn't have good performance, they were like a golf cart, and so people had a real hard time buying electric cars. And I think something similar needs to happen to solar. We really need to make solar panels as appealing as electric cars have become. And the interesting thing is the houses you see around you are all solar houses. I don't know if you know that. Did you notice? Yeah.
That'd be like the ADT of the solar panels, for the houses. So they're going to have most of the houses on lock with solar panels. So that's another reason why we invest in the Tesla for the long term,
But also you got to remember the new things you've been teaching me. Tesla sometimes can be a trick. You know, a lot of people got into Tesla when they were really low and really cheap, and now they're flipping and tripling and quadrupling their stocks, and they're getting in and they're dumping them and they're getting back out. It doesn't mean that you don't invest in Tesla. It's just that they took the opportunity to catch it at a low denomination and they flipped it like multiple times over and got their money out. It doesn't mean that they won't reinvest. It just means that they used Tesla when it was at a low point to flip and roll over and make some money and get back out. But Tesla is a good long-term investment because it is the new wave of the future. Like you said, they're like making, you know, hover cars and battery-operated houses and smart windows.
Trying to go out of space.
Solar panels.
Trying to go out of space.
All this revolves around.
It's ultra hard, cold rolled stainless steel alloy that we've developed. We're going to be using the same alloy in the Starship rocket and in the Cybertruck.
Electronic batteries and electricity, and right now Tesla has the #1 hand in it, but they're not the only ones. There are a lot of other competitors too, so you might want to shop around and see how you can flip some money. But you know, Tesla is a good investment for the long term, but it's also a quick flip. You know, like a quick flip.
Oh yeah, good thing you said about the quick flip, because that's one of the reasons why Tesla stock been kind of going down a little bit, because just like my wife just said, it's a lot of people that already been bought Tesla a long time ago. They paid a cheap price, so right now they made their money. So you know what I'm saying? I don't know about the $5, but they done made their money. So you know what I'm saying? Now they finna sell. They finna sell some of it. You know what I'm saying? Finna make some profits. Christmas time, baby. Time to go Christmas shopping. So a lot of those big dogs out there, they getting rid of it. You know what I'm saying? Selling a few. And then once it go down, they gonna buy back in. Cause I told you, boy, buy the red. Buy when it's low.
A lot of big investors invested in Tesla when it was just $64, which to them is like $5.
Yep.
And now Tesla is how much per share?
600. It's right around 600.
So if you dumped $3 million into Tesla at $64 a share, and now it's worth 600 and some change, how much money would you have?
I ain't got my calculator on me right now, but that's a lot of money. Okay, that's a lot of money. You do it. You at home right now. Go ahead and put a calculator out. 64 minus 600 gives you 536. So $536 per share. That's what you could have made. So imagine if you bought 10 times 500. Oh, now you got 5,000 or something.
So imagine me coming to you saying, give me $64 and I'll come back and give you
600. Yeah. Really, Tesla actually made it to 1,200 one time. Probably more than that, really. You know, it got up there. Then they did a stock split, you know, but they got up there. Just like Google.
So as a new investor, we have to do something called follow the trend.